Hey everyone, hoping you're all doing well. Welcome back. I have another Christmas recipe for you. Today I am going to show you how to make this simple, delicious pigs in blanket, which is literally sausages wrapped in bacon. Stay with me and let's get started. So for the pigs in blanket recipe, I am going to use streaky bacon and chipolata sausages. These sausages are quite small, not as big as your usual, normal sausages. You can also use cocktail sausages. And all I do is I take one of the chipolata sausage and I take one of the streaky bacon and I literally just wrap the bacon all around the sausages. Just wrap it around, make the sausage nice and warm, and the bacon acts as the blanket, and this is where the name came from, pigs in blanket. So once I have finished wrapping the sausage in the bacon, I just place it in a plate and I set this aside, and I just repeat the process until I no longer have any of the bacon or sausages left. And as you can see, my pigs in blanket are ready, and now it will be time to bake this in the oven. What I have done is I've just covered my baking tray with foil, and now I'm just laying all the pigs in blanket on my baking tray. And next I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees until the pigs in blankets have this beautiful golden color to it. Now 30 minutes later, I have taken a pigs in blanket out of the oven and I'm just glazing it with some honey. The honey is going to balance out the saltiness from the bacon and also the sausages. And I'm just going to put this back in the oven and just allow it to bake for an additional 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, I have taken it out of the oven, and guys, look at this. Serve this during this Christmas, either with your roast or you can even have it as a starter. It tastes so good and it's very, very simple and quick to make. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Don't forget to click that notification bell, which will notify you whenever I post delicious recipes like this. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.